Hey there. You came here to learn how to glow this summer? You came to my video to learn how to glow? Do you want to glow like this though? Like are you ready to glow like this? I'm guessing you said yes. If you did say yes, you came to the right place.
Right now, day and night, night and day. All I've got to say is, if I was your girl.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. What say welcome to my channel? You're on Lex Marie channel. Lexa Marie's channel. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to slay this summer even if you have oily skin. Even if you have oily skin, how to glow this beautiful summer, okay? As some of you may or may not know, if you're new, you know, you probably don't know this, but I do have very oily skin to the point where I just look like I'm sweating all the time. And you know, honey, that is not we can't do that. So I have come up with like a little method, a little updated from last year, but just how I do my everyday summer makeup for my oily skin. So if you do suffer with that same issue, I would definitely recommend keep watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, because you know, I'm gonna push out content, a whole bunch of content this summer. So if you wanna, you know, get the update as soon as I post, please make sure you have that notification bell on. If you do want to see more content like this, more makeup tutorials, skin, things like that involving beauty, please let me know in the comment section down below so I can give that content to you. But, you know, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Right, so this is the key right here. Using my AIRSPUN loose face powder, I make sure that I do a nice thin layer all over my face, just so that it absorbs any of the oils or sweat that I start to get throughout the day. This is like the major key, all right? But I'm just gonna do my brows with my Ruby Kisses brow pencil in the color dark brown, and make sure that it's lightly filled in and has that gradient effect. Right, so this concealer goes a very long way. I got this from Juvia's place. I believe it's the color 12. But look at how much I need to put on and just look how it blends out. Like, it's super full coverage, absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely recommend this if you do not want to put on a lot of product, but you want to get and see results. So yeah, just watch me blend this out. All right, so what I'm going to do is just mix these two powders together, my Nye powder and my other loose face powder. And this just gives me like that perfect color that I need for under my eyes. So I'm just going to lightly put that under there, not too much, but just enough to set my concealer. So I bought this bronzer from Fenty Beauty. This is her Mocha Mami bronzer. And I just wanted to see like how it would fare on my face because I've been using the Black Radiance for quite some time. And it definitely warmed up my face. Like, it wasn't too crazy, but the end results were absolutely beautiful. So if you would like to know how I apply my lashes, I did make a video, so I would definitely check that out. It's linked above. Right, so now I'm just going to use my MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. I absolutely love this lip liner. If you are a dark skinned girl, just get it. Trust me, no second guesses. It's a must have. But I'm also going to use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Instabul. I absolutely love this color as well. I've had this for quite some time, but it just gives me that natural pink nude that I really like. All right, so now I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Trophy Wife. This has been one of my favorite highlighters ever, very pigmented, but I'm just going to lightly put that on my cheeks and whatever high points I have on my face, and then just blend it out once everything has been applied. All right, so this is the final look, the final look For you oily skin ladies this summer, I know, you know, you probably won't be going out, but you can still slay, all right? You can still slay, look beautiful. You see, for us oily skin girls, we can still glow. We can still glow, but you have to just make sure that you prepare and prep your skin for that heat, because not only am I oily, but I sweat. So this usually lets me glow all day. And you know, sometimes I do highlighter naturally. You know, I do have some type of glow to my skin, but the highlighter is just an extra boost. It's very simple, very, you know, classy, very cute makeup routine. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to my channel. If you do want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.